Don't spend it all in one place.
Relax. It's 100. It'll always be 100 rupees.
One basket of apples, please.
That'll be 120 rupees.
What? Yesterday it was 100.
Prices went up.
I still have 100.
You do, but your 100 doesn't buy what it used to.
Money doesn't always disappear from your wallet. Sometimes, it disappears from its value.
So that's what inflation is.
The first rule of money: if your money isn't growing, inflation is quietly eating it.
Then I need to make my money grow.
Or you could just buy it on credit. Don't forget taxes.